Hello friends. So in my last video we discussed about one of the supervised machine learning technique that was regression. Currently in this video we are discussing about the other supervised machine learning technique that is classification. So what is there in the classification? So as per its name like depicts classify. So if our data set having the multiple classes or having two classes or something, so we will model, we will design a model, we will train a model so that as per the input data, it will classify the classes, it will give the classes. So on the basis of classification types, it will give in output what is the current class of the object. For an example, if we are using the binary classification, so there is only two states. One is either or. That means there will be only two classes. Suppose we just want to check whether our mail is spam or not. So either it will be spam or it will not. So this will be the classification either or in binary classification. If we are going with the other types of classification like multi-class classification where the classes are more than two, so in that case the class we have to train our classification with the help of some classification algorithm. So we will discuss today one most famous algorithm that is KAN. KNN nothing but a K nearest neighbor, we can say. We will train our model first with the help of given inputs with the training data, and while we are testing our data, so as per the already available trained model, we have to classify what class it belongs to. It will give how. We will see one example with the help of this board, and in the next class we will see the programming with the help of Python and other machine learning libraries. Okay, so let's see. Come here. So suppose we have already trained our model and we have three classes. So suppose we have already having three classes and we have a scattered data. So suppose we have some data here, some data here like this, some data we have here, here, here. This is one of the color data, and here we have some data like this. If we can say we have some data, and here we have another set of data. If you can see like this. So this is a model already this models we already having after training. It is already trained, and now we are in the situation where we want to classify, we want to we just want to predict our inputs. So suppose this is the class, suppose this is the class, we have three animals. Suppose this is the cat. One image we are giving as an input to classify from where this picture belongs to, which group. So this is the cat, and suppose this is dog class, it is here, and some other animal. For an example, suppose it is elephant. This is elephant. So suppose one point we are giving, one image we are giving here. This is our point. We want to see from which class it belongs to this point. This point. So how? So there is KNN. One of the algorithm is there. KNN. KNN. That is K nearest neighbor. K nearest neighbor. Okay. So here we will select one value of K. So in general, while we select the value of K, we are putting the value of K approximately. We will start the value of K with 3. Then we can see 3, 5, 7, 9, whatever we want to take. We can take according to our data set and our situation where we are just using this classification method. So currently, suppose we are taking k is equals to 3. This is we are taking in current situation k equals to 3 here. So when we are using k equals to 3, so we have to find the input, this one, this image, three nearest neighbor distances. Suppose if we can say this one is the nearest to this point, this is the another nearest to this, and suppose this is the third point. So this two belongs to cat, and this one is belongs to dog. So we will see this is the nuclear distance between the two data points. This is our input data where we have to predict with the help of this classifier. So we will see 1, 2, and 3, three distances from this point, the nearest distances. What is the majority? So if we can see here in the dog, only one point is belongs to here, and these 2 points belongs to this cat category. So our classifier will predict, oh, this is the cat, in the form of cat or in the form of some numerical value, whatever we have set in the what we can say, uh, or classify, it will give the cat. So this is very simple algorithm where we have to find the distances, three minimum distances. Why it is three? Because we have chosen k equals to 3. So three nearest data point we will select, and we will find the distances between here, and we'll see whether this point is belongs to these 2 points. That is the means what is the majority points belongs to. So if it is belongs to the 2 points from the cat and 1 point from the dog, that means it will give, the model will give us to the cat is a classifier class here. So this is the mathematics behind this. But while we are doing the programming, we will use the ready-made classifier with the help of scikit-learn library from the machine learning library, and with the help of these pandas and other pandas data frame. While we are loading the data, with the help of these models, we will use the data set. According to that data set, we will trained the model. We will test the model with the same data set, 80 and 20% data set, dividing by this. Then we will give the input while our model already trained, and then this model will give us the output as an cat in this situation. So this is the complete classification example with the help of mathematics. In our next video, we will see how we can program it. We have two classification and the regression also. So I will explain the simple program, one program, both the things. So you can see it's very easy on that there. Let's go through this, and we'll meet in the other video while I'm just explaining with the help of program. Thank you. Please like it, share and subscribe this channel so that you'll get a notification immediately. Thank you.